Hi guys, so recording the second question of the secret questions that we have received. So let's get started. This is again a question that relates to your flexible budgeting. Okay, so this is the question. It says that 4900 hours, the factory is operating at 4900 hours, which is 70% of activity. And the variable expenses, semi-variable expenses, and fixed expenses are as follows. Now you have to, it has been said that semi-variable expenses goes up by 8% between between 85 and 95% activity and 15% above 95% activity. Prepare flexible budgets for 80, 90 and 100%. Okay, so it's a simple question. I had obviously overcomplicated it the last time I tried to solve it, but it's very simple. So 2100 is your variable expenses for 4900 hours. So you can put, so first thing you can do is your operating capacity is 70%. At 70%, you are operating at 4900 hours. So one second. Let me make this general. Yeah. So 4900 is my capacity, is my general capacity. So what is my 100% capacity? At 100%, it will be 7000. Okay, so it's basic normal unitary method, 4900 divided by 70 into 100. So this is my total capacity. Now 7,000 at 70%, it's multiplied by this one fixed. Okay, so this is 4900 units, this is 5600 units, this is 6300 units, and this is 7000 units. One second. I think you guys can't see me. Okay. So for 4900 units, it says that your total, your variable expense is 2100. So 2100 and divided by that unit, just 2100 divided by 4900 gives you 0.43 per unit. If you use the same, so for variable expenses, it's the same variable, the unit per unit variable expense is same for all units. Okay. So for all production levels, basically. So now you directly multiply this with the units that you produce. And that's how you get the variable. I hope this part is clear. Variable expenses increases as the number of units increases. So you can see that variable cost is increasing. Now it also says fixed cost is given. So fixed cost is 2800 and that will be common throughout all the levels because it's a fixed cost. So irrespective of at which volume we are producing, the fixed cost will remain the same. Okay. Now semi-variable cost, it has said that initially it's 1500. So for 70% capacity, it's 1500. For it says from 85 to 95, it's increasing by 8%. So this is my still 80% capacity. So I'll still use 1500. At 6300 capacity, it will increase. So it's, I'll say 1500 multiplied by 1.08. So that will be my, because this falls under the 90% capacity. So in 90% capacity, it says it increases by 8% between 85 to 95. Okay. And then it says in the 90, this is the 100% capacity. So above 95% capacity increases by 15%. I'm assuming that the 15% increase is from the original increase and not from the 85 to 95 bracket. So what I'll do is I'll take the original cost and then multiply it by 1.15. So if I now total all the things, sum equal to sum equal to sum. Now you can see that the total cost is increasing. However, if you take the per unit cost, you'll see that the per unit cost will be decreasing because even the variable cost is the same, fixed cost is decreasing. So that's why the okay. So that's how you create the flexible budget at different production levels. So 80% it's this, and 90% it's this, and 100% is this. Okay, I hope this is clear. It's very simple. And now let's move on to the next video. So if you have any questions regarding this, you can reach out to any of us and we'll help you solve this. Put it in the comments if you have any doubts. It's a very important question because this might get repeated. We feel like might get repeated.